cat looks like a famous YouTuber. There's a famous YouTuber who makes cat videos, and that cat looks same as this. Hey, famous YouTuber, subscribe to my channel too. It's already morning. What is? Your alarm is too late. Hello friends, I'm Explorer A, and today we are at a pet market which is located in Shuwaikh area, Al Rai. Yeah, that's right, Shuwaikh area, Al Rai. So today we are gonna be exploring this whole pet market. Let's go. Let's roll in tune. They have a huge variety of animals here. Oh, I love parrots. Sometimes whenever a dog comes near me, it scares me. Precautions. So we have one more fish store here. And which one is this? This is for birds also, with the birds food in it. Right now we got 3 fishes for my aquarium. I got 3 of them in the same color white. They was looking like a family. They look so nice. And these fishes are the most dangerous ones. They fight intense like World War II. Those fishes are not really good. But if you want, you can have it. Okay, there's one more fish store here. What is this? Oh, okay. Fish store, boat store, fish store. Oh my god, this is a so big one. I have seen like this but in a smaller size. And in a different company. Yeah, so they both are different. What is this? Ooh, big doggy here. Big one. Hi. Boom. He's so big. Alright. A big one there. It's sad. So hit that subscribe button to make him happy. Okay. What are you eating? Oh, we have kittens here. All size cats. Hi. Big birds too, huh? Nice. They're so big. I think I'm gonna get out because it's kinda smelly here. This cat looks like a famous YouTuber. There's a famous YouTuber who makes cat videos, and that cat looks same as this. Hey, famous YouTuber, subscribe to my channel too. Alright. Oh. It's already morning. What is? Your alarm is too late. Oh wow. So small. This one's inside. Hello. Oh, there's one more. There's more place. More animals outside. Let's go check it out. Alright. Okay, let's go there. But you know the one thing I don't like. I know that's too common. Like it's too smelly in it. I know that's common, but I think someone's calling me. Wow, these parrots. Do they talk? Hi. Hi. This one's really scary. Hi. Talking? Okay, that wasn't a talking parrot. Oh, this is a parrot area, I guess. This is one parrot. Oh, fish store. Parrots, rabbits, turtles. Oh, this pandemic, social distancing. What? Yeah.
और ये सी कौन सा कलर चाहिए? कौन
ये
सा
भी
कलर?
वाइट लेते हैं ना? वाइट
हाँ वाइट
वाइट नाइस। पूरा ग्रुप बन जाएगा फिर। हाँ वो वाली वाइट यहाँ पे जाए आ जाएगी। अंकल विच फूड, कौन सा खाना?
वो जो खाना ये लो,
ये वाला?
एक दिन का खाना लो,
ये?
खाना चाहिए वो 60 में
ये
है।
अच्छा, तो इसका बड़ा नहीं?
वो बड़ा वो जो उधर है,
ये वाला ना?
1.5 दिनार का 1 दिनार का।
अच्छा। So we have pet hospitals. The first one is Al Dohama Veterinary Hospital. The second one is Royal Animal Hospital. Yeah. So that's it. 2 animal hospitals. An injury. Come here. See you on the next video. Bye.